What is the output of this program? Consider the following code. M1, it takes integer as an argument and returns a into 10 by 4 minus 30, extends to a. In the A2, they have overridden. Okay, then they are saying M1 equal to a into 10, 4.0. What can be substitute for double x, triple x, triple y, so that can compile without any problems? Tell me the answer. What you should substitute for triple x and triple y to run this code, to compile this code without any error? Is it int and double, double and double, double and int? See, observe here. They have overridden. When you write the superclass by the subclass, not possible to change the return type. Okay, you should give what? Double and double, not int and double. Don't guess. Think and answer it. I'm guessing. I guess Santa. You should not use that word. I guess. Okay, double, double. Both are should be what? Double. Here in the superclass it is a double, means in the subclass also double. So shall I use int and int? When it is int and int, 4.0 is a double, right? Not possible to return. Okay, 4.0 is a which type? Double type. Clear? So if you use the double, in the double we can possible to return the int. Okay, double can carry the int. If int cannot be carry the what? Double. That is the reason both must be which type? Double type. Both must be which type? Double type. Okay, both should be double type. Have you understood this concept? Both are double and double. Okay. Both are double and double. Next. Tell me. What can be inserted in the code below so that it will print true when run? Class. Static. Return type is Boolean. It takes one list as an argument, another one is predicate as an argument. One is list, another one is predicate. Okay. Predicate is one of the interface, functional interface. Predicate is the functional interface. Okay. You people know lambda expression, anonymous class? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Maybe you people don't know. Listen. Here, predicate, inside a predicate one test method is there. For that you have to pass the implementation. Listen here. What should be right here? It takes one list, another one is predicate, it will take. Predicate it takes. I will explain. Listen. Here if you pass one new array list object you created, that time an empty array list object is created. AL is equal to is empty. Okay. AL is empty, right? Okay. And here you have to select two options. When I print the B, that should be print what? True. You are calling the checklist method. You are passing the array list. One new array list you are passing is empty. Another one new array list AL equal to new array list. Okay. Next array list equal to AL equal to return AL dot size equal to 0. Then array list AL equal to A1 dot add allow. then array list AL equal to is empty. Okay. See, the option should be here. Size equal to return statement is not required. Size equal to, you can write here. Here, D and A, these two options are correct. D and A, these two options are correct. A and D. Any it is add successfully added the element inside that one, it returns true. And if it is empty, it returns what? True. A and D is the option. Okay. You don't know, many people are not able to understand. Listen. Okay. In thread class, maybe I thought anonymous class, lambda expression I thought or not, I don't know. Anonymous class I thought. This is lambda expression code. A and D is the answer. Next. Loop test. Here the program name is, class name is what? Loop test. K equal to 5. Check it. K minus minus greater than 0. It returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. That is the code we have written inside it. Check it. Then print them. Check it. K. System.out.print what? K. Okay. Here, check it. K. In the while loop, print K is there. Okay. In the loop test class, I am calling the print them method. Let's observe. What the changes should be made so that program will print 54321. What changes if you do, it will print 54321. Their question. Listen. They are calling the method inside the while method. Check int. What is the value in the K here now? Here there is no instance member, it will take this one. What is the value in the K? 5. K value become what? 5. 5. Post increment is there, it will be 5 only. 5 greater than 0, yes, it returns true. Then it come back to here. What is the value in the K? It's print what? 5. Observe what I'm telling. This K is a local variable, this K is a global variable. Here K minus minus, this value is not decreased. Then again check it. Again check it. What is the value in the K? 5. 5 minus minus, true. It's what happened? 5. Now if you run this code, it will print infinite time 5. Because local variable is decreased, again it can come back here. So like this it is happened, repeating. Okay, again and again you are passing the 5 only. K minus minus, it is decreased this local variable. It's not decreasing this global variable. Okay, but the question is what? What should we do to print like this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Okay, shall I system.out.println print K minus minus, K minus minus. What happened that time? Here you are passing what? K. This is, no, A is not an option, because if you print this one, 5, it will print what? Infinite time. K minus minus means K value is what? 5, it returns true. Okay, K minus print K 5, then K value become 4. Next time, again here 5 minus minus, again you are passing what? 5 here, because post increment is there. K minus minus means you are given post increment. K, it's print 5, K minus minus, again you are passing 5. Okay, true. Then what is the value in the K? Here 4. Okay, what is the value in the K? 4 you are passing. Okay, when you are passing here first time 5. Okay, K minus minus, it will print again pass, it's 5. K minus minus, what is the value in the K? 4. It's print to calling what? 4. So like this it is repeated here. K minus minus, then loop, again that will pass 4. So the B is option, B1 is correct. Have you understood? Minus minus k means that it is wrong because it's print 4. K minus minus greater than 0, false, return true, no. So, which is the option? B is correct. K minus minus, right, print K minus means first it prints print, then it is 4, then it is 3, then it is 2, then it is 1. Like this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it is printed. Have you understood? Okay, not even the option E also. So, option B, observe now. K minus minus means low value. It's print 5, then it is become what? 4. Loop repeated. It is passing 4. Then it's print K. It's print 4, 4. Then it is become what? 3. Then it's print 3, then it's become 2. It's print 2, then it's become what? 1. So like that it's print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So option B. Have you understood? This K minus minus also it works. Minus minus K means first it 5 is the right, it's become 4, then it prints. Okay, if you write minus minus K means first it prints K value is 5, right? It's print 4. But that time 5 is not printed. But what is the question? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 you have to print. Okay. This date K minus minus. This time what happened? 5. 5 minus minus. 5 greater than 0? Yes. Then 4 greater than 0? Yes. 3 greater than 0? Yes. In this, if you write this K minus minus means what happened means that time it's print 0. But they are not asking to print 0 here. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. Think you people have understood. Maybe you will have confusing B and E. Even though you can replace and check it, then you will get to know very clear clarity. Okay. Yeah. Have you understood this one? Yes or no? Option D is not going to work. The question is what there? Done. Yesterday I have told one thing. Okay. People are yesterday how many people have attended? Around 220 people have attended. Now around 180 is there. 40 people are came yesterday. Maybe we are doing magic in one day only. Make them to comes everything. Okay. 40 people are lose the interest in one day only because they want magical thing. No, no, 220 were there. 220, 225 is there. Okay. I have seen. Now is around 180 is there. 40 people are lose the interest in one day. Maybe those people are came. Maybe something is happen. Wondering is happen in one class only. No, miracle is going to happen in one day only. Nonsense, fellows. Okay. Simply they are come and join our institute to waste their parents' money and to bring the bad name for us. So those people are not ready to learn only. Huh? For that kind of people, so they need a people who have cheating them by asking the money and all those things. That kind of people are there means okay. We give 5,000, we are giving backdoor and 1 lakh backdoor entry. That one, this one, that kind of people they want. Ah, tell me. This one we have done already. Okay. Let's see and answer the question. What will the following code print when compiled and run? Discounter, static percent 1, offset 10 base 50 2, public static double CLAC clack double value. It takes double as an argument. Coupon, offset and base. Remember this. These three keywords are these three are there, right? These three are local variable. Don't get confused. These coupon, offset and base. Okay. Coupon, offset, base. These three are local variable. Okay. If percent, what are the percent here outside? Percent is less than 10. Coupon, offset, base. This is the third line. Percent is less than 10. Coupon is become 15, offset is become 20, base is become 10. Coupon into offset into base into value divided by 100. Okay, they are using coupon, offset, base and value. Okay, this value they are going to return. Other integer divided by 10. System.out.println CLAC clack 100 they are passing. When they pass 100, observe. Select option 1. Is it print 3000? Is it print 3000.0? Tell me what it prints. If you are not initializing anything here, by default 0.0 is there. Tell me. Compile time error at line number 3. Compile time error at line number 4. Compile time error at line number 5. Exception at runtime. Tell me the answer. Option E. Option B. Come on. Option B. Return type is integer there and double. Okay, double. Coupon is integer, offset is integer, base is integer. Okay, 0.0. Okay, then you can digest your answer. Exception at runtime. Hello. First of all, this code is not get compiled successfully. The reason is what are the coupon you are using, offset you are using, base you are using. In case this condition is false, what is the value in the coupon? What is the value in the offset? What is the value in the base? Let's assume if this condition is false, what will be there in the coupon, offset, and base? If this condition is false, means what will be the value in the offset, base? Okay. Is it take 10, 15? Nonsense. It will not take 10, 15. It will take coupon. Here, offset is there in the outside also, inside also. Base is there in the outside also, inside also. Okay. If you are use this keyword, it will take outside. You are not using. Means what is there in the offset and base? These two are variable are there, right? Here, if you use offset and base, it will take this local variable. Local variable and global both are the same name. It will take the local variable value. What will be in the offset and what will be in the base? We not initialize, right? Local variable are not having a default value. Local variable you must initialize before utilization. Clear? When condition is false, they can possible to become 15, 20 and 10. No, right? That is the reason this number will show compile time error. We are not initialize any value. Okay, so your option should be what? E. Local, so maybe you will tell, sir, I initialize 20 and 10. So these lines are executed only when the condition is what? True. Understood or not? This condition is true, they get initialized here. If the condition is false, not these variables are not get initialized. Understood, right? So this class give them more clarity on the subject. If you learn like this subject, it will give more clarity to you people. That's the reason we are telling you people to attend the groomings. Okay, option E. No, here line number 3 will not occur because maybe somewhere you will initialize. Okay, you without initialization you utilize here, right? Maybe in the offset and base. If you assign here something here, line number 3 is not showing error. Line number 5, without initialization, we are going to utilize this one. That is the reason it shows the error at line number 5. Okay. Okay. I'll head on this. Condition is false means it will not take default value because it's a local variable. Global variable has the default value. Okay. Local variable are not having a default value. Consider the following code for the main method. Static void main throws exception. Int I equal to 1, j equal to 10. Do while loop they are using. Okay. When I use the continue, it will not check the condition. Okay. When I use the continue, it will not check the condition. Okay. Tell me. I plus plus. What is the value in the I? I it gives 1. I it gives 1, it gives 1, j gives 9. 1 is greater than 9? 1 is greater than 9? No. It will check here. What is the value in the I? 2. What is the value in the I? 2. Okay. 2 less than 5? Yes. Repeat here. I plus plus. I value become what? I is value is what? 2. J value become what? 8. Clear? Then it's become 3. 3 less than 5? Yes. Continue. I plus plus. I value become what? 4. It gives 3. Okay. Because post increment is there. That is the reason. 3 it will give, but I value going to change here. 3. Wait, they are checking. 3 greater than 7? No. What is the value in the I? 4. 4 less than 5? Yes. Again. I plus plus. I value become what? I value is 4, but I value become 5. Minus minus j. What is the value here? 6. What is the value in the I? 5. 4 is greater than 6? No. What is the value in the I? 5. 5 less than 5? No. Come out from the loop. What is the value in the I? 5. What is the value in the j? 6. 5, 6. Have you understood the concept? Yes, sir. No. It will not give 10 here. Okay, it will give 9, 8, 7, like this. Here increment, it will give 1, 2, 3, but it is incremented 5. Okay. Then 5 less than 5? No. Come out from the loop. It gives 4 and 6. Option is D. Have you understood this concept? Post increment. I, it is I gives 1, but I value is become what? 2. Minus minus j. First decrement it gives 9. Yesterday I explained like that. First decrement is there. Decrement and it gives. It is first gives, then it is incremented. Next time, 1 less than 5. What is the value I here? 2. 2 less than 5? No. It gives what? 2. Then it will check 3 less than 5. No. It gives 3. Then it gives 4 less than 5. Then it gives what? 4. 4 less than 5? No. Are you getting my point or not? So like this. Am I clear this concept? Read on this question. Option is B.
ये पूरी का लीजिए ना मैंने ये सप्ताह अपन काम सब दीजिए
Okay. We'll go to the next program. Consider the following code. Do A, do B, new object, do B they are calling. Do A, do B, in the main method there we are calling. Tell me. Do B. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct? This will compile and run without any errors or exception. This will compile if throws exception. Okay. Throws an exception added at line number 2. This will compile if throws exception is. Okay, let's listen here. Throws exception we declared here. Is there any exception is occur here? Is going to declare index. That same method we are calling in the boolean b. Do a you are calling. Whenever you are going to call do a here, okay, it is declared with the exception. It is declared with the what? Exception. Whenever we are going to call some methods which are already declared with the exception, that should be surrounded by try and catch or should be surrounded by try and catch or that method should be declared with what? Exception. You are going to call right that method as the checked exception declaration. Whenever you going to call, that should be surrounded by try and catch. Okay. Observe now. Okay. It will compile and run without any errors? No. This will compile if throws an exception at line number 2. If I throws line number 2, if I write throws exception, is it going to compile? Yes. Okay. That time, if you declare with a throws exception here, again in the line number 4, again you have to write here. This will compile the if throws exception. Next option, let's see. This will compile if throws exception added in the line number 2 as well as in the line number 4. So here, do A, it is declared with a throws exception. Do A, it's throws exception. Okay. Whenever you going to call it do A, okay, this should be surrounded by try and catch, or you should be declared this one in the throws exception. Okay, and that when you write a throws exception here, again you are calling it do B here. Whenever going to do B here, again you should write the throws exception here. In both the places, if you write throws exception, it will compile successfully. Otherwise, this one is surrounded by a try and catch also, it will compile successfully. Okay. Here you declared with throws exception, it will compile successfully in the both the places. Otherwise, this should be surrounded by try and catch also, it will compile successfully. Now, first if you compile, then only it will execute right. Without a compilation, can possible to execute. Checked exceptions are get marked at the time of compilation, right? Shakti Prasad Saho. Okay. Listen. First of all, it not compile. Why you are thinking about a execution? Here, do A is not surrounded by try and catch, is not declared with a throws exception here. Okay, if you write a throws exception here, in the main method also you write a throws exception. That is the reason you should select the option. This is line number 2, this is line number 4. Okay, here, listen. This will compile if throws exception is added at line number 2 as well as line number 4. If you added at line number 2 as well as line number 4. Am I clear? Have I understood or not? Okay. Am I clear? Have I understood what I explained? So like that you should think why the MCQ questions. You must have the patience to do all such things. And you should be good in the subject. Then only can possible to. You should know about throws and everything. What will the following code print when compile and run? Test class. It has the main method. Get MSG, char of 10 they are passing. Get MSG, it receives. String message. Input value must be concat. MSG equal to MSG concat smaller than X. Replace. MSG equal to replace X equal to X. Reset. And larger than 0. MSG replace and reset. Again MSG equal to concat return MSG. Very good question. Come on. Tell me the answer. Here you are calling the get MSG method. You are passing char 10. It receives character. Okay. In the variable X we received. Okay. Tell me. I will give a time. Think and answer it this one. Get message. I think you know about a string character, string right, string class. Whatever 10 in 10 ASCII character it receives. MSG as the method input value must be. For that they are concatenating smaller than what? Capital X. That capital X I am replacing with the received character here. Then I have taken another one set arrest and larger than 0. Okay. Again MSG is concatenated with what? Rest. Then they are returning MSG here. Okay. Think and answer what the code will print. There is no any compile time error. Very clearly I am telling there is no any compile time error. Okay. Tell me the answer. I will give you 2 minutes time and think and answer. To give that time, I have given that time. Tell me the answer.
ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଖବର ନବା କଥା ହଉଛି ସେ ଯୋଉ ୟାର ତା ନିହାତି ମୁଁ ସାରା ଦେଖିଛି ମାନେ କଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ବିତୁଲ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ ଦେଇଥିଲା ମାନେ ଦିଟା ମୋବାଇଲ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କିଣା ହେଇଛି କିଏ କିଣିଦେଲା ଏଟା ତ ଇଏ ତ ଦେଇ ନଥିବ ସେଇ ଦେଇଥିବ ଯଦି ଡଲି ଦେଇଥିବ। देखिए ढेଙ୍କାନାଳ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖି ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳରୁ ତୋର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ପହଞ୍ଚିକି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ମାମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ତାଙ୍କର। देख आज जो पेट खराब होला की करथांते एका थिले की करथांतो ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯିବେ କିଏ ବୁଲୁ ନା ଯାଇନି ଯିବି ଏବେ ଯାଇନି ଆସିବି ଏ କଥା ହଉଥା ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ନେଇ ଆସୁଛି ମୋତେ ରୁଟି ସରିଯିବ ଧର ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଟଟା ପିନ୍ଧୁଛି देखी लितु ଏବେ କୋଉଠି आ ବଦମାସଟା ବେ